Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable date picker calendar in Google Sheets. In this Google Spreadsheet I have created a simple format for entering the detail of the purchase, and here in the date of purchase column, if I double click on a cell, a calendar activates. By clicking on any date, I can pick up the date here in the cell. But if you click on the date of purchase column of the second format, then the calendar is not activating. So here I'm going to show you how to enable this type of calendar to pick up the date in Google Sheets. First of all, select the range where you want to enable the calendar date picker. Then click on Data tab, Data Validation. In the Data Validation rules, click on Add Rule. Then here in the criteria, select this Is Valid Date option. Then click on the Done button. You can close this data validation rules. Now if you double click on the cell, the calendar will activate and you can pick up any date. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.